Hello, my name is Jamie, and I'll be discussing how three theories impact our teaching styles and learners. Those three theories are constructivism, critical literacy, and sociocultural theory. Constructivism is the belief that we build our understanding of new knowledge based off of existing knowledge. Doing this creates a successful learning environment based on the interests and knowledge of children, which engages them and keeps them interested in what they are learning. In the classroom, this looks like students working in pairs or groups where they're able to learn from one another. Critical literacy begins with close observation of children, not only in the classroom but also outside of the classroom, in places such as recess or the lunchroom. Critical literacy looks at society, schooling, and literature through the lens of race, class, and gender, and opens up the sometimes difficult discussions about them. It asks us who is represented in our curriculum and how. Do we have books in our class library that represent these differences? It refers to the process of becoming aware of one's experiences relative to the power relations, which can be realized through reading and writing. Critical literacy gives students an opportunity to become agentive. Sociocultural theory is the theory that learning is socially constructed and influenced by the context in which learning occurs. We learn through our society, culture, and families, and this knowledge should be valued in our classrooms. We should get to know and form relationships not only with our students, but with their families. We should get to know their cultures and their social classes, and we should use all the information we have learned to guide our classes. So, how do these theories impact our teaching styles? Well, we use constructivism when we elicit prior knowledge through the pre-tests, discussions, and group activities, and also when we focus on students' questions and interests. We use critical literacy when we put a focus on students examining power relationships between and among individuals. When we invite students to bring about change for social injustices such as unequal power relationships between people. We use sociocultural theory when we form relationships in the classroom that help us to facilitate social interaction and active participation. Or when we hold parent-teacher conferences and when we focus on students' culture, society, and families in order to guide our instruction. So how do these theories impact learners then? Well, constructivism impacts learners by engaging them and keeping them interested in what they are learning, emphasizing collaboration and exchange of ideas. They build new knowledge on existing knowledge. Critical literacy impacts learners by encouraging students to challenge and question power relationships, promoting reflection, action, and change. Critical literacy stimulates students' interest and allows them to gain perspective by understanding things in different ways. Sociocultural theory impacts learners by allowing them to understand through their experiences and interactions. It brings about a sense of belonging through a focus on learners' social, cultural, and historical contexts. When we use these theories, constructivism, critical literacy, and sociocultural theory in the classroom, we have the ability to engage all learners. I would now ask you to break into 3 groups, each exploring a different resource that I've provided. Each group will designate a speaker who will share the key things that they have learned from their article. Thank you for your time and allowing me to share these theories that will be an important part of my teaching career. I hope you enjoyed.